Dear students, in this video I am going to explain about lesson number 11 hydroxy compounds and ethers, topic number 11 elimination reactions of alcohol. What is meant by the word elimination? Elimination means removal. Here in elimination reaction of alcohol we are going to talk about removal of water molecule. Removal of water molecule can also be called as dehydration. For dehydration reaction to take place we need a dehydrating agent. What are the dehydrating agents that are commonly used? Concentrated sulfuric acid, phosphoric acid, anhydrous zinc chloride and Al2O3, that is alumina. These are the commonly used dehydrating agent. First I am going to take ethyl alcohol CH3CH2OH. This CH3CH2OH I am going to take like this, CH3 bond CH2 bond OH. Upon treatment with the sulfuric acid at 443 Kelvin, the hydrogen will get eliminated. As a result, this bond will get shifted over here and this bond will shifted over the oxygen OH as a negative charge. So H plus and OH minus combine together to form water, remaining CH2 double bond CH2 ethene. So ethyl alcohol now becomes ethene. In general, in all the elimination reaction, a saturated compound will get converted into an unsaturated compound. Now let us see the mechanism for the same reaction. I am going to take ethyl alcohol CH3 CH2 O bond H. This oxygen contain two lone pair of electron. I am going to write the sulfuric acid in ionic form, bond H bond O SO3 H. So one of the lone pair will make a bond with the hydrogen. As a result, the bond that is present in between the hydrogen and the OSO3 H will shift over as negative charge. So HSO4 minus. HSO4 minus, remaining CH3 bond CH2 bond O bond H, another one hydrogen with the positive charge. This is the first step. Second step, what is going to happen? Second step, I am going to take the same species, this species. Instead of CH3, I am going to write like this, CH2 bond H bond CH2 bond O bond H bond H, positive charge. Now what is going to happen? This H plus will get eliminated. As a result, the bond will shift here and this bond will shift down as negative charge. So the entire species, that is the water molecule, will get eliminated. H2 will get eliminated. Okay, H2O will get eliminated. H2O gets eliminated here. Remaining CH2 double bond CH2. CH2 double bond CH2. See here, the removal of H plus and the removal of protonated alcohol. OH group means alcohol. OH along with one more H means it is called as protonated alcohol. So one side alcohol getting removed and another side H plus is getting removed. So both takes place simultaneously. So it is called as a bimolecular elimination reaction. As like SN1, SN2, elimination reactions are also two types. E2 and E1. E2 means bimolecular elimination reaction. Okay, thank you. Dear students, in topic number 11, elimination reaction, I have given the example for primary alcohol. Primary alcohol undergoes E2 mechanism. Okay, primary alcohol undergoes E2 elimination reaction. Similarly, tertiary alcohol. Let us take tertiary alcohol. Tertiary alcohol undergoes E1 elimination mechanism. Let us see that also. So CH3 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 bond O bond H. It has two lone pair of electron, H bond O SO3 H. Okay. So what is happening? One of the lone pair will make a bond with hydrogen and the remaining will go as a negative charge. HSO4 minus plus CH3 bond C CH3 bond CH3 bond O bond H with H and positive charge. This is step 1. Step 2, I am going to take the species as such, CH3 bond C CH3 CH3 bond O bond H positive charge. Here what is going to happen? It is a slow step. So the bond connecting carbon oxygen will get cleaved and comes down as negative charge. So plus minus will get cancelled and the water molecule alone will get eliminated. Water molecule get eliminated. H2, what is remaining? This species CH3 bond C CH3 bond CH3. Usually the carbon will be surrounded by 4 bonds, but here we have only 3 bonds, so a positive charge. It is called as carbocation. Usually the formation of carbocation will be the slowest step and it is a rate determining step. Next, step 3, the carbocation is taken, CH3 bond C, CH3 bond CH3 with the positive charge. Here what is going to happen? Minus H plus. Yeah, H plus is going to get removed in the first step. So H plus means I am going to remove from here. CH3 எடுத்துருந்தேன், hydrogen போயிருது. So இந்த bond என்ன நமக்கு இங்கே வந்துரும். So here a double bond. CH2 double bond C bond CH3 bond CH3. This is called as isobutylene. This molecule is called as isobutylene. So here removal of protonated alcohol takes place separately and then removal of H plus takes place separately. In previous case, in E2 mechanism, both takes place simultaneously, but here they take place separately. So it is called as unimolecular elimination. Here the rate of the reaction depends only upon the substrate and not upon the nucleophile. So it is called as unimolecular elimination reaction. Thank you.